So if you want to fix your Asus VG248QE DisplayPort if there's no signal, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So first things first is you want to make sure the monitor is actually set to display port. So you want to press the monitor's menu button, go to input select, and manually choose DisplayPort. This model doesn't always auto switch, so if it's set to HDMI or DVI, you'll get a no signal message, even though DisplayPort is connected. Now, also, you may want to power cycle the monitor and PC in the correct order. So turn off the monitor and the PC, unplug the monitor's power cable for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in, and turn the monitor on before starting the PC. Now, this forces a fresh DisplayPort handshake. Now, also, you may want to reseat or replace the DisplayPort cable. So unplug the DisplayPort cable both ends and plug it back in firmly until it clicks. Now, if possible, try a different DisplayPort cable. Bad or low quality display cables are a very common cause here on this monitor. And also try a different DisplayPort output on your GPU if you can. Now, if your graphics card has multiple DisplayPorts, switch to another one. A single dead or unstable DisplayPort on the GPU can cause no signal, even though HDMI still works. Now, also, you may want to boot the PC using HDMI first. Now, then switch to a DisplayPort. So you want to connect the monitor using HDMI, boot into Windows, then shut the PC down. Reconnect using DisplayPort and power the PC back on. This helps Windows and the GPU to redetect the monitor correctly. Now, also, you may want to update or reinstall graphics driver. So old or corrupted GPU drivers can fail DisplayPort detection. So update your NVIDIA or AMD drivers, or do a clean reinstall if needed. Once updated, restart and test DisplayPort again. Now, also, if DisplayPort still shows no signal, check firmware or hardware. Now, if HDMI works perfectly but DisplayPort never does, the issue is usually a failing DisplayPort cable, a bad GPU display DP port, or a failing DP input on the monitor. Testing the monitor on another PC confirms which one is at full. And that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.